A for ant. B for bow. C for cat. D for dolphin. E for eggplant. F for fox. G for gorilla. H for house. I for insect. J for jaguar. K for kids. L for light. M for mango. N for needle. O for onion. P for pen. Q for quail. R for rabbit. S for sheep. T for teeth. U for utensil. V for vase. W for wolf. X for xylophone. Y for yogurt. Z for zebra.